If you want to forward a GoDaddy domain, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up domain forwarding inside GoDaddy so your visitors are sent to the right website automatically. This is a great solution if you've rebranded, launched a new site, or simply want your old domain to point somewhere more useful. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and web tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head to My Products. This is where all of your domains and services are listed, so take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Next, under the Domain section, click DNS for the domain you want to forward. This opens the domain's DNS settings, where you can manage records, name servers, and forwarding options. On the DNS page, look for the Forwarding tab. This is the section specifically used for sending your domain traffic to another destination. Click on Forwarding and then find the option to add forwarding next to the domain you want to configure. Once you click Add Forwarding, GoDaddy will prompt you to enter the destination. Type the domain name or website address you want your current domain to forward to. Then choose the forwarder type. Depending on your setup, this may control whether the forwarding is permanent or temporary and how search engines handle the redirect. Make sure you select the option that matches your goal. After that, click Save to apply the changes. GoDaddy will then process the forwarding rule, and once it's active, anyone visiting your old domain will be redirected to the new one you entered. This can take a short time to begin working properly, so if you don't see it immediately, give it a few minutes and check again. If you ever need to update the destination later, you can simply come back to the same forwarding tab and edit or remove the rule from there, and that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now forwarded to the new website you chose. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and help keep your brand connections clean and consistent across the web. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one.